So now we want to export those high priority defects, but also maybe look at some of the other data. We go to the third icon. And when you come into here, just make sure the map is showing your location. So you'll see that the data that sits in these drop lists actually is what's seen in this map. So if I zoom into this location, then we've got data that comes through. So the defects data is the high priority defects information that you've logged. And you can go to the options setting here and go export to CSV. And then when you click on the defects data, you'll see some cool information. So the road name, if there was a locality, its hierarchy. Now, if you've gone through there and edited that data, it'll actually come back with the proper high priority defect. So a lot of these ones, again, haven't been actually edited. So the ones that have are right to go. And then you've got your RACAS chainage, your RARI value. Over here on the right hand side, your X and Y coordinates, the link back to a hyperlink to the photo for that particular one, and that's a link back to the mapping data. Future upgrades will make sure that this data is ready in regards to reflect loading up. Now just notice here, just be mindful, I've got some negative changes, which means that when they've done the survey, they haven't started at 0. Now I'm going to show you, say you're interested in a particular road, I think Fry Road. You'll hopefully see that this will filter itself for that road. No, it didn't do that. So it's just whatever's in this extent. So there's a number of roads here. So you're interested in just one particular road. So once you're in here and you want to look at generally councils, and we'll add road name in here eventually, but most councils would want to filter their data by locality. So you'll see in here, I'm looking at a particular locality and type that in there, pull it up and then apply. And what you'll do is this data here, which is the segment data, will be filtered by that locality. So again, export that out to CSV. This is the road segment data. And when you look at this information here, you'll notice that we'll have the same roads, but the changes will be roughly within those 500 meter segment lengths. Probably the big thing is this predicted score. So we've got what we call the 3 months and the 6 months predicted score. And so you'll be looking at, say, particular roads like Fry Road. New versions will be able to summarise that stuff up into road level, and we can talk to you individually about how to do that using just a pivot table. So back to the hub site, that's just explaining through most of the features, most of the basic features of the maintenance management site. The more advanced features are the works programming area, which we'll cover off in another session.